So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Waqas and you're watching Waqas Tech. So guys, in this short video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone portrait camera not working or not focusing when try to capture any picture or it's showing black after update iOS 17. If you're also facing that kind of issue in your iPhone, keep watching full video. After watching this video you can easily fix that issue. So let's start video without wasting time and open iPhone camera. As you can see, select portrait. You can see appears on screen portrait mode not working. Select any other light. Suppose you can see appears on screen it's not working right now on my iPhone camera. Okay, now go back and you need to open your torch app. You can see appears on screen torch. Okay, after open the torch you need to turn it off after 5 to 10 seconds and then go back, restart your mobile and then try to open iPhone camera. Okay, if that method not working for you, then move to the next solution. The next solution is open iPhone settings, tap on general, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset all setting and then try to open again iPhone camera. By doing that simple two-step you can easily fix that your iPhone portrait camera not working after update iOS 17. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. Thanks for watching.